So I'm gonna make right turn from here. So we have a yield sign here, give way sign, and there is a light. So we have no link with the light. We have a connection with the sign. So we'll look for pedestrian. So he's looking on other side. So that means we can inch forward and then look for the traffic and finish your turn. So if somebody is crossing, we have to let them go first, and then we will inch forward and we will look for the traffic, and once it's clear, we can finish our turn. Scan both sides whenever you pass any intersection. Before entering to the intersection, you have to scan both sides. So why we do that? Maybe there is a fire truck, ambulance, police car, or maybe police is chasing somebody. So what's gonna happen? That guy, he's not gonna see that if it's a green light or red light. So we have to look for our own safety. So always try to drive at the posted speed. The speed limit is 70 here. So 70 means 70. We can drive at 65 to 70, not more than that. So it says maximum 70. So we always drive as per the road condition, weather condition, and traffic flow. If the weather conditions are not good, we might have to drive slow. If the road conditions are not good, we might have to drive slow. Scan both sides whenever you pass any intersection. Make sure that you will scan both sides and check your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Try to stay in between the lines. A lot of people, what they do, their car goes like here on the left hand side or more to the right hand side. So don't do that. So try to look far. The more far you will see, your car gonna be in the middle. I'm gonna do a lane change, mirror, signal, blind spot, and I will make left turn at traffic light. So mirror, signal, blind spot. Always come in your lane first and then slow down. So we will watch for oncoming traffic. We will let them go first and we will wait in the center. So now our way is clear. Check your left side blind spot and then finish your turn. Now we can see that the speed limit is 80 here. So we'll drive at 80. Try to stay in between the lines. The more far you will look, your car gonna be in between the lines. So make sure that you will look far so that you can drive in between the lines. So we always have to drive in between yellow and white line. Yellow line is the divider. So it indicates us that there is an oncoming traffic on the other side. Check your rear view mirror as well. At upcoming traffic light, we will make right turn. So at this traffic light, we're gonna make right turn. So check your mirror, give signal, check your blind spot, come into your lane first and then start slowing down. Since it's a red light, so we can make right turn at red light and we will treat as a stop sign. So come to a complete stop first before solid white line. Watch for pedestrian, both sides, then inch forward, look for the traffic, and then check your right side blind spot as well, and move when it's safe to do so. So now it's clear, I can finish my turn. So whenever you will make right turn or left turn, the first sign gonna come is a speed sign. So there was a sign for 60. So we'll drive at 60 now. So whenever you will make a left turn, right turn, or you will go straight from any intersection, the first sign gonna come is a speed sign. If there is no sign posted, you can drive at 50. whenever you have to check your rear view mirror, make sure that you will move your head so that the examiner can see that you're checking your rear view mirror, not your eyes, not like this. You have to move your head so that they can see that you're checking. So whenever I teach, I told my student, do the monkey move. So monkey move is very important during your test. Make sure that you will check properly, you will scan so that they can see that you're scanning. Always do monkey move. So whenever we go downhill, so a lot of people, they make mistake here, the speed goes up. So your foot has to be on the brake so that you can control your speed. We will do the lane change. At upcoming traffic light, we will go left. So one car at one time in an intersection. Check your left side blind spot and then finish your turn. Since lane is ending, so I'm not gonna switch lane to the right. So always pay attention to the traffic signs. So whenever you enter to any city, you're gonna find this sign, and it says if there is no speed posted, you can drive at 50 in a residential area. Try to look far and always try to stay in between the lines. So the yellow line is a divider.